Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to set auto date and time on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, setting the date and time automatically ensures that your device clock is always accurate and synchronized with the current time. This is important for various functions and applications that rely on accurate timekeeping, such as scheduling events, receiving timely notifications, and login timestamp. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, enter to the settings on your device. Well, and here you can scroll down and select General Management option. Okay, after that, tap on date and time here and turn it on like this. Okay, so now the auto date and time on your device is successfully active. Well, that's the tutorial on how to set auto date and time on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.